Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check what Windows 10 version you have. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. In Settings, select System and then scroll all the way down this list to About section. Open it, and here, if you scroll down, you'll be able to find your system type, so you can find out whether you have a 32 or 64-bit operating system. And below, you'll be able to find your Windows specifications, where you can check your Windows edition. For me, it's Windows 10 Pro, and the version of your Windows, the Windows 10, which is 22H2 for me. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.